Today I'm gonna show you how to take out the dash out this car, and that will lead to the heater core, evaporator, and you'll see, man, there's other things in there. I'm trying to take out the dashboard first. Let's get this, man. Let's get it. Okay, you're gonna need a 10 mil Phillips and a Phillips drill. Drill right here. I can get the drill, speed shit up. Let me see if I could take off this plastic piece right here first. And make this easier. Let's take off the steering wheel. Let's take out this plastic piece and airbag next. To take it off, there's a hole here and a hole right there. To take that off, and a hole right here. There's 3 there. So let's take these off first. Okay, now let's take this off. You need a flathead to get between here. Flathead or this shit if you have this. I mean, when you're putting this back on, don't damage it. Me, I don't need it, so I could damage it. So let's see, take this. You gotta spread this apart. See, it goes in 2. Alright, now take this off on top. I don't need that, so put that over there. Take that off. There somewhere. Now, take out this airbag. So there's a bolt here and another bolt right there. Okay. Take that off. Loosen those shits. Already know, gotta speed this up, man. Other one is right there, man. Hey, take those out. Keep those bolts. Okay. Now, take these off. Be taking this. Make sure your battery is disconnected before you take the shit off. Mine's already out, so. Alright, let's pop these out. You need like a mini flathead like this. You can see it right here. To pop these out, just go in there and pop this black thing up like that. Same thing with this one. Oh shit! Make sure you don't break it. Okay, like that. See, it should pop out. Like that. All right. Oh, watch that shit. Watch that. Put this somewhere safe. Now, let's take this off right here. That's a 19. Look like a 19. Pop that off. Let's take this off. Okay, nice. About this, save that shit. Now, let's try to take the steering wheel off. This thing's tight. I don't know why it's tight. I'm about to hit it with something. Mallet. I'm about to hit it with this. Yep, hit a couple times and it's loose. This disconnect this connector right here. Bump that. Okay, bam. Get that off. Let's take this off like that. Alright. Put this up here. Like that. Now, let's take out these screws right here. There's a screw here. Screw right there. Let's take off this screw right here. This one there. Yeah, that could stay. This one in here. Okay. Sheesh. Make sure you do not lose the screws, because you're gonna need them when you're putting it back together, doing whatever you're doing. Take the key out. Now you don't have to take the key out. You have to take this off, take that off, and This gotta come out. This thing gotta come out right here. Those screws, 2 screws right there. Take those off. Oh, I don't know you see. There you go. Magnet. That's why it's on there still. Magnet. Screw here. Screw right there. Screw. Screw down there. Okay. There's a 10 mil under this sensor, the headlight sensor. So let's take this off first. 2 connectors on there. 2 connectors. Take those shits off. 10 mil right there. Take that 10 mil out. There's another one right here. If I pop this off. Oh shit, there you go. Just disconnect that. And there's a 10 mil right in there. You see that? 10 mil. Now. Oh, there was a screw right here too. I don't know if I mentioned in there. But yeah, there was a screw right there. And this is the final bolt right here for the airbag. Take that out. That's a 12 mil. Let's take that shit out right now. Alright, that should loosen it up. You're gonna have to take these off because they're in the way. So these are easy to come off. This is a clip right here, clip right there, and one right there. Just squeeze them down and just wiggle because there's a connector in there. See? Yeah. Same thing with the other side. Press the top. It's a connector. There, and there's one at the bottom. Right there. Just press them down. Like hard on it. Just pop out like this side. This side has a connector on it, so you have to take that off. All right, took it off. Place it somewhere good, so when you put it back, it's not lost. Okay, now let's try to pull this out now. Pull this out. This should come out. It's like that. Make sure it's connected when you're pulling it out, because you don't want to rip any cords in there, any connectors. Make sure everything's good. Okay, should be able to take it out. Side. Just pull on it. I think the airbag connected here. Airbag connected. You see those right there? Yeah, you have to get the flat head and just pop those off. Just like that. Just pop those off with the flat head. It's like pop those, both of them. Just pull it out. Just like that, easy like that. Okay, now let's take the shit out. Now take it out carefully. Shit, there you go. Something else stuck on there. What else is? I'll see right here. Those. Let's take these off. Yeah, okay. Now should be good. Okay. Like that. That's it right here. Bam. Now you can take this out, place it somewhere safe till you have to put it back. Alright? Yeah, I forgot to say before you move the dashboard, there's something there's something under here you're supposed to remove first before, you know, something under here. And the speedometer that's here, you gotta take that off. There's a cover piece, you take it off. There's like screws on the speedometer. It's like, I think two screws on top. Remove those and take out the speedometer. It's a connector right here. Yeah, you just take it off, press the button here, take it off. And the glove box was there. You gotta take that off. Then you start doing what I told you. All right, so I placed mine right there in the back trunk because I need to do some other stuff on here. You can place yours somewhere on the floor, somewhere. Same way you put it, you took it out, put it back, same way. Put all the screws back, connect the airbag, make sure the connector is off, the negative terminal is off. When you connect those airbags, connect that. All them screws that you took out, put them right back where it was. And that's it, man. If you have any questions, you're stuck, let me know. Because that thing is, you know, a little difficult. But you get it. So you get all those bolts out, especially the airbag bolt, that gold one. It should be loose, ready to go. Alright? Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, man. Got more coming.